Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on OPPO F29. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Firefox. Now click search and click install. And now click open, and here click agree and continue, and you can choose your default browser, or you can just click cancel. Now you can add Firefox widget, or you can click not now, and here you can click sign in, or you can click not now again. Now you can turn on notifications, or you can click not now, and here you can select your theme, or you can just click save and continue, and you can pick turbo placement, or you can click save and continue again. And as you can see, my Firefox browser is now installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.